Okay, this thing is great. Awesome box that it comes in also. I really do appreciate that. This is pretty much a complete set. Everything you'll probably need, but it's also a standard end. So even if the end isn't in here, you might already have the end and it will just fit inside this Torx screwdriver. No big deal, but it comes with lots and lots of different pieces. I think this is the 36 piece. So it pretty much has everything I need it to work, at least. And I use this specifically for things like firearm red dots. There's a specific torque when you're supposed to put it on so that you don't hurt your firearm slide, and you need one of these in order to pull that off, and here's how you use it. It's very simple. So the bottom is kind of minor units and the gauge here is major units. So you can see the major units go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, and the minor units go 1 through 10. So if you have the major units all the way down below 10 and the minor units all the way down to 0, essentially you have no torque whatsoever and you can just turn this thing forever, right? And this bottom is minor, so you can go 0.1, 0.2, 0.3. But if you go all the way back to 0, you have now moved the major up to 10. So essentially you've gone 1 through 10, now you're at 10 pounds. So now if you're at 10 pounds on the top gauge and you go to 1, you are now 10 plus 1, 11 pounds, right? 12 pounds. And if you go all the way back to 0 again, you have essentially moved this bar up to the 20 pound level. So now you are at 20 plus whatever's down here. So we're now at 21 pounds, 22 pounds, right? And it'll take 22 pounds of torque in order to make this screwdriver work. So you'll be able to torque it all the way to 20 pounds and then it'll just start going click, 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 click. So I hope that makes sense. You just pull this out and spin it so you can spin it all the way back down to 0 if you want. All right, so now we're at 0 again, so now it'll just click, 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 click. But that's how you use it. Comes in a really great case here, which is awesome to keep everything stored up here. This is what I use, and I would definitely recommend it.